Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. The purpose of this video is to help us after topic 2. These concepts that I want to talk with you about are directly related to our topic 2, but they were not covered in our book. So we want to cover these here. What I want you to do, you're going to need to watch 4 videos. You're going to need to watch this one. No, let's make it 5 videos. You're going to need to watch this video. Then I'm going to attach 3 videos from the Khan Academy. I need you to take your time and watch all those. They're only a few minutes each. So you're going to watch this one. Then you're going to watch the 3 from the Khan Academy. Then you're going to come back and watch this one again, okay? Because you may need it. So you may end up watching 5 videos, okay? I want to share with you what we're talking about are like terms. Like terms, L-I-K-E. I'm going to share my screen with you. Before we talk about like terms, I want to review these concepts. Take a look at this expression in the center. It says 2x plus 4y minus 9. Notice that they are labeled for you to refresh your memories. The number 2 here, notice that's a coefficient. They have names. You need to know the names of these. This is a coefficient in front of the y. The x and the y are variables. And this regular number here, numeral, it actually has a name too. It's called a constant. It stays the same. It will always remain whatever value is given to it. It will not vary or change. Then I want you to notice here the operations. There's a multiply right there, right? That's 1. There's an add, 2. Multiply again, 3. And subtract, 4. There are 4 operations. Now, let's get to what we're talking about here. The terms are 2x, 4y, and 9. There are 3 terms in this expression. You cannot combine these because they are not like, they are different. Okay, hang in there. I'm going to go down. Here's an example of like terms. It says, like terms have the same variables to the same power. Like terms can be combined. So for example, look at 2x minus 5x. If you were to combine these, you would have minus 3x. How about over here? You cannot combine these because they don't have the same variable. They have an x and a y. They have to remain apart. How about this one? A and half of a. The a is what you're looking for there. They're the same. They're alike. How about over here? You have y and y squared. Those are not the same. You cannot combine them. How about this complicated one? Notice this one. You have minus 2x squared. And if you had an expression with 8x squared, you could combine these and you'd end up with 6xy squared. Confusing? Let us go on. These are also unlike, a variable and a constant. I'm going to share my journal with you. Again, you may need to watch this video again after the 3 Khan videos. I'm now going to share my journal with you. I need you to pay attention this first time through. Then, the second time you watch this, you probably should have your journal in front of you. I'm going to now share my journal with you. Let us share my journal with you if I can find it. There it is. Okay. What we're talking about are, our topic is like terms. I keep saying this word. They're like, they're similar. Before we get into like terms, look at this. I used all constants, all just regular numbers, and I want you to look at the terms. There's 1 term, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms in that expression. And you say, well, what are the other ones? Those are operations. That's an operation. That's an operation. That's an operation. That is an operation. Let's look at this one. Let's look at this one here. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 terms, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 operations, okay? Okay? These are the terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look at this one again. We're not combining anything yet because I'm about to turn the page and we're going to combine them. Take a look here. How many terms do you see? You should say 4. You see 4 terms. Don't worry about combining them yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Watch how we're going to combine these like terms. We'll start out with some little baby ones, and then they'll get gradually harder. If I have n plus 2n, I can combine these because these are like terms. So I can combine this into 3n. Let's go on. How about this one? The terms are the same. I see the operation is to add. Therefore, I can combine like terms. That is 6n. How about this one? How many n do I have? That's right. I have 6n. How about this one? How many n do I have? I have 2n. I have 7n minus 5n. That's 2n. I am combining like terms. How many n do I have? I have 2n. I have 2n. I do not have n squared. I don't have n times n because this would be n times n. This said n plus n. So I have 2n. Let's go on. I have 4n squared minus 3n squared. I notice that these variables are the same. So whatever n is, I don't know what it equals, but it's n squared. Therefore, I have 1n squared or just n squared. Let us go on. We are cruising. Yes, let's keep going. Look at this. They're getting harder. I see 2y squared, a y by itself. I see y squared again, and I see a y by itself. Notice the y squared are similar. These guys are similar here. Therefore, I have 3y squared plus 3y. Do you see 3y? Yes, you do. Let's go on. Let's take a look at another one. You can stop this at any time and replay what I'm saying. Hopefully, I'm not making any mistakes. You have a y, a 3y, a 2y. Looks like I can combine these y's, right? This one's different. This is y squared. So take a look over here. I have 3y, 5y minus a y. That gives me 4y plus, this one's different, 2y squared. Do you see it? Let's keep going. I see a y variable by itself. I see a constant or a numeral. I see a y squared. Oh, look, these guys are similar. So I have 4y minus y, or 1y, remember? That gives me 3y by looking at these two numbers. That is 3y plus 3. There's nothing I can combine, plus y squared. I'm going to skip down to 23. How about 23? I have an x, I have a y, I have 2y. Oh, there's a constant. Take a look at these, okay? That's 3y. I only have one x there, so I'm going to bring this down. X plus 3y minus 4. I am combining like terms. Let's go on. There are 3 more I want to do with you. So again, I want you to watch how we're doing this now, then watch the 3 con videos that I've attached, then come back and watch this again, okay? Have your journal out the second time through. Look at this. Right away, I see these are like terms. So are these. They're constants. So you should go, I see 5y. Do you see 5y? You should. 5y plus 7. I have now combined like terms. How about this ugly one here? Look at this one. Wow. 9, 2y. This one's different. This is y squared. Remember, that one's just y. I look, oh, there's a y. Here's another y squared. Okay, so here's what I see. These are constants. So I can do 9 minus 2, that is 7. Okay, what else do I see? Let's combine the y's. I see 2y and 3y. How many y does that give me? Notice they're both plus y's. So this is plus 5y. Now I'm still left with these ones here, the y squared. Notice this is a minus, this one's a plus. So 7 minus 5, I would have plus 2y squared, correct? Okay, there's another one. What I want, let's do one more. Last one. I see a y. Well, let's go back to the beginning. How many terms do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 terms. We're going to try to combine the ones we can. I see this constant just floating there by itself. I can't add or subtract anything to that. Let's look at the y's. I see 3y minus 1y. That's 2y. 3 minus 1, 2. How about this other one? I see a minus 2y and I see a plus 3y. So that would leave me with 1y squared plus y squared. This is 1y, correct? Because there it is, 1. Here's 3 minus 2. I'd be left with 1 plus our 15. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. So there is your preview. And you might be saying to yourself, that's easy. Or you might be saying, I don't know what you're talking about. So I need you to, you've watched this video. I need you to watch the 3 videos by the Khan Academy. They're very good videos. Then watch this one again at the end. Lastly, I will have a worksheet. You notice we just did the odd numbers in my journal. I'm going to give you the evens and I will post the answers. See if you can arrive at those same answers. I will see you in class soon, boys and girls. Send me any questions that you might have.